Anyway, let's continue. Anyway, I have another present na munti ko nang nakalimutan. Anyway, before she left, dahil hindi siya naka-attend sa aking birthday celebration, this is from, to dear Reggie, happiest birthday from Leia. Leia Ramos. Ito po yung bigay niya sa akin. Miss Leia, ang cute-cute mo talaga. Tinan mo, oh. Ang cute-cute nito talagang alin na ito. Nitong bata na ito. Thank you, my dear. Chamomile tea. Oh, thank you so much. Pagpatulog ko, kasi alam mo, magiging aswang na ako. Hindi na ako natutulog. Eh. Anyway, ayan. Yan yung bigay niya sa akin. Tsaka yung dalawang kupita dyan. Thank you so much kasi she cannot make it, but you know, talagang nag-effort pa tong bata na ito kasi nagpunta sila sa Italy. Buti pa sila, nag-Italy. Uy, kamusta mo ako sa mga kamag-anak kong mga Ita dyan, okay? Thank you so much. Anyway, thank you ha. Ang cute na mga present ko. Anyway, I would like to say thank you to everyone sa lahat po ng nag-effort na para mangyari itong magandang birthday ko na to, ang aking celebration. Thank you so much at lahat nag-enjoy so far, kahit na simple lang na birthday celebration, and we will able to have fun kahit na may, oh my god, I don't know what to say, but anyway, I would like to say first, I would like to say thank you sa prayer from ni our brother Ed. No, si Ed is my Gia's husband. Thank you so much sa prayer and the message. I really like it. Talagang magaling na tong bata na ito. Magiging pastor na kasi siya. Kaya that's good. Anyway, and Gia, thank you so much. And si Bibi natin, si Bibi Megan, thank you so much. And also, so thank you so much. And Ate Grace at lahat ng mga pamilya, nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng mga lahat ng pakikipag-cooperate nyo, and of course ang aking mga kamag-anak back home, kahit hindi man sila, they don't have chance to be with me right now on my special day. It's okay, I'm always here, I'm always there in your heart. Kaya I'm pretty sure you know, I'm just here, andito lang ako all the time. Just give me a little time na makapag mag-better, and hopefully someday na maging everything will be, you know, sana okay lahat. So I'm looking forward na pag may chance kami, so we can see you guys sa Philippines. So anyway, thank you din of course sa mga tumulong sa akin na maayos yung party room, like Maggie, tapos yung mga tao, mga sponsors na nagbigay ng mga something and contribution and mga present. Maraming salamat, at maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga naka-attend at nakita nyo how, you know, how my party is, how, you know, yung pag-celebrate ng milestone ko ito, kaya it's not easy. So anyway, the sad part is narating ko ang 60 years old, but I miss my daughter. Hindi niya inabot yung makita niya yung age namin ganito, na sana naman kahit na wala siya, you know, sana happy yung anak ko. That's all my wish. Kaya yung when I was blowing my candle, my cake, that's my wish. My wish is like, sana maging happy ang anak ko kung nasaan man siya. I mean, I'm pretty sure she's happy now with the God, but still, I'm a mom. I'm still worried. I'm still, you know, laging siya pa rin yung aking iniisip. So and I hope maintindihan nyo, at I'm pretty sure yung mga taong iba hindi nila kayang abutin yung maintindihan yung mga pinagdadaanan ng mga katulad namin. But like I said, ang sa akin, honestly, just love your kids. Kay masakit sila sa ulo o what, o mabait, huwag kayong magsasayang ng time, cherish the moment. Talagang, kasi pag ako naramdaman ko na lahat na wala na ako ng parent, talagang you have to do what you're gonna do habang andyan sila. Do whatever para don't wait until tomorrow para gawin nyo yung mga bagay na ikaliligaya ng mga tao. So yun lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo, because pagdating ng panahon na ma-experience, sana wag nyo ma-experience yung katulad ng ma-experience ko, kasi it's not easy. So hopefully ako, ang dami-dami kong regret, but like I said, wala naman ang kwenta kung mag-regret tayo. So wala na tayong magagawa, kasi when the person is gone, it's gone. You cannot do anything about it, and wala nang turning back. Talagang wala na. So anyway, I'm so happy na naalala ko tuloy nung anak ko. That's why I always doing this, because of my daughter. Kasi before, she was very happy every time she opened the present, at talagang tuwan-tuwa siya kasi ang dami-dami niyang regalo. It doesn't matter kung like expensive or nothing, or something very very simple present is a big yan sa puso ng mga taong nakaka-receive, hindi dahil sa halaga, hindi dahil sa but anyway, I was really appreciate lahat ng mga tao, talagang nag-effort ng lahat ng kaya nila na naibigay sa akin. Doesn't matter kung ano. I am so blessed to have you guys. Kaya maraming salamat, at sa mga kaibigan kong lahat at family na tumulong para, kasi ang pagpa-party talaga is not easy. It's a big big job yan, big hard job yan, kasi preparation and after is a lot of work, kasi especially kami, kasi we play music, kaya yung husband ko is a very very big help for me yan, kasi kung wala siya, I don't think if I can do this too. Kaya I'm so thankful that I have him, because like I said, ang dami niyang buhatin, just to enjoy our time, Tapos yung lahat ng tumutulong na nag-clean ng party room, maraming salamat. Anyway, the good thing is na-enjoy ko lahat ng time ko, na-enjoy ng mga bisita ko yung time na, during our party. So I am so grateful about that. Kaya maraming salamat. Till next again, and kahit malungkot yung aking birthday and Mother's Day, is worth it because of the people around me. Talagang I appreciate yung mga taong nagsusupport sa akin. Alam ko I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to be nice to everyone as much as I can. So sa mga taong sometimes hindi ko din naman ma-please, pasensya na kayo kung ano man kung hindi man ako is not enough yung mga ginagawa ko. But anyway, I'm very very thankful talaga. Most of my friends are very supportive and very, they're always there for us. Okay, so thank you ulit, and today I'm not that down, like overwhelmed, because today is, like I said, my mom's birthday. I'm pretty sure she's happy right now. She is with my daughter and my tatay. Thank you so much. See, my daughter, when she was here, dito pa siya sa mundo, naawa ko sa kanya, kasi sabi ko, ang anak ko wala siyang grandparents na lumaki, but look at her now. Yung sa other world niya is puro grandparents naman yung kasama niya. So doon niya na-experience yung mga bagay na hindi niya na-experience dito sa lupa. But like I said, sana totoo na meron pang second world or second life, para sana if I have a chance to continue my job, as a mom to my daughter. Sana mangyari pa. Kung wala man, sana kung may reincarnation or whatever they call, sana my daughter's next life will be better than, you know, the time that she was here. Okay, so thank you so much and God bless us all. Like I said, thank you and I love you. God bless us all. Thank you.